In this experiment, the paper currency appears to be caught on fire, though in actual fact it is not being touched by the flames that seem to be consuming it. This particular trick creates an optical illusion by making use of the flammability of alcohol as well as the process of combustion. The currency will first need to be soaked in a solution constituting water and alcohol in a 1:1 ratio. Alcohol is used as it is said to be volatile because of its high vapor pressure. Vapor pressure refers to the tendency of a liquid or solid to evaporate into a gaseous form and also that of a gas to condense back into their solid or liquid form. As such, when flame is introduced into the paper currency that has alcohol mainly on its outer surface, alcohol is actually what burns. The temperature at which alcohol burns and evaporates is below that of water. Therefore, while the alcohol is ignited, the water remains untouched and the bilge stays damp and thus does not catch fire on its own. After the complete combustion of the alcohol present, the flame burns out and leaves behind a slightly damp bilge. The combustion reaction between alcohol, in this case ethanol, and oxygen produces carbon dioxide, water, and energy, following the equation. The fuel burns at a relatively low temperature due to its low flash point. Flash point is the lowest temperature at which the substance can vaporize to form an ignitable mixture in air. Zippo lighter fluid contains a mixture of pentane and butane, therefore it has a low flash point. This means that the fuel that is in contact with your hand or finger burns at a low temperature, where the flame which rises is the main heat that is produced through combustion.
A sparkler is a type of handheld firework that burns slowly while emitting colored flames, sparks, and other effects. It consists of chemical mixtures like oxidizers and reducing agents which are molded onto a long wire. These chemicals are first mixed with water and then coated to the wire for it to be dried. Sparklers which contain oxidizers such as nitrates, chlorates, or perchlorates produce oxygen gas to burn the mixture based on these few equations, depending on a different type of oxidizer used. Reducing agents like sulfur and charcoal will act as a fuel to burn the oxygen gas produced. Two reducing agents can be added to increase or decrease the rate of reaction, acting as regulators for the reaction to proceed. Metals such as aluminium, zinc, or magnesium dust can also be used to create bright sparks which resemble fireworks when ignited. Different metals are used to produce different colored sparks. Aluminium, magnesium, magnesium, or titanium produces white sparks. Iron produces orange sparks, while ferrotitanium produces yellow-gold sparks. Binders such as dextrin are dampened by water and serve as a reducing agent as well as a reaction moderator to hold the mixture together. The fuel and oxidizer should be added with different proportions to create a longer effect rather than a fast and exploding firework. When a sparkler is ignited, the magnesium dust on a wire will burn and produce sparks. The sparks will continue until the chemicals on the rigid wire are used up.